everyone, I'm Maria from Mary's World, and today I'm going to teach you really the basic stitch is the increase, that is the simple crochet, and then I will teach you how to make double crochet, that is DC. So from this pattern that I'm having on the description below, you have the tail, and on the tail you can see there are quite different stitches that you cannot see in the rest of the wheel. So I will teach you how to do them. So let's begin. So if you like this tutorial, if it helped you somehow, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you need any help at all, if you have some ideas for new tutorials, I will try to do my best to help you. So write in the comment section and I will promise to get back to you as soon as possible. So bye!